Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2018 Dodge Journey Crossroad, stock number E1806P. 17,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Color is called Vice White. You do receive the balance of the factory 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Seat 7. Rear heat and air control to make sure everyone's comfortable. In-floor storage with the removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Backup camera, along with the rear parking sensors for additional safety. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Crossroad has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large touchscreen 8.4-inch infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And there's, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift control, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and conversation mirror. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates: an average of 17 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information on this Journey, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.